we are going to show you how to clean out a drain without calling a plumber. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have a very interesting video for you today. Right now, I don't want to do it because I don't want to have a lot of water, but this does not drain at all. This is going to be really disgusting, and I apologize, but I need to show you this because it's really easy. So this is going to be considered a how to clean your drain hack, because this is going to work perfectly, but it's disgusting as hell. I'm going to show you how this is done. So first off, you take the screw out here and you remove this. Do not drop this. Make sure you have it on suction, not below what I just did. Alright, let's see how this is. Doesn't look like a drain. Doesn't look like it's really working so much. Let's continue. That should be draining a heck of a lot better. There we have it. We are done. This is the cheapest solution to fixing a clogged drain. Looks good. Very awesome. That's good news. So now we can put the drain cover back on and screw it back together again. And we're done. And that's how you fix a drain without calling a plumber. So guys, if you like that video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'm sorry it was disgusting, I really do, but I needed to show you this hack on how to clean your tub. Take care, and we'll see you next time.